friends, I'm glad you're here. Guess what I did today? I went on an Easter egg hunt and I found a bunch of Easter eggs. Let's do a science experiment with these eggs. Would you like to do an experiment with me? Great! Let's see if these eggs will sink to the bottom or float in water. Inside each of the eggs is a little surprise. Let's guess and see what's inside. Let's start with this egg. What color is this egg? Yes, this egg is yellow. Let's shake it and see if we can guess what's inside. That's very quiet. Any guesses? Let's open it and find out. On the count of 3, I'm going to say open, and we'll open it and see what's inside. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Open! Look, foam shapes are inside. These shapes are really light. I wonder if they're going to sink to the bottom or if this egg will float at the top. What do you think? That's a good guess. Let's find out. Ready? Into the water. Look, the egg is floating. It's afloat at the top of the water. Let's graph it so we can keep track of which eggs sink and float. Let's use red for the ones that float. Float. 1. We've had 1 egg that floats. All right, little egg, out you come. Time to dry off. There we go. Let's do another egg. Let's see. I think I'm going to do this one. Oh, this one seems really heavy. What color is this egg? Blue, that's right. Let's shake it. Whoa, did you hear that? That makes a lot of noise. What do you think it is? Money? Let's open it and find out. On the count of 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Open! Look, you're right. It's money. There's quarters and pennies and more quarters and dimes, all sorts of money in here. This egg was pretty heavy. I wonder if this egg is going to float at the top or sink to the bottom. What do you think? Let's find out. Ready? In you go. Whoa, did you see that? The egg sunk to the bottom. Wow. Wow, that blue egg sank all the way to the bottom. Let's mark it on our graph. Sink or float? That egg sunk to the bottom. So we're going to put a blue one for sink. Okay, we've had 1 egg that floated and 1 egg that sank to the bottom. Let's try another one. Ooh, the orange one. This egg is orange. Let's shake it up and see what's inside. Any guesses? It makes a little noise. What do you think it is? That's a good guess. Let's open it and find out. On the count of 3, say open with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 3, open! Look! There are paper clips inside this egg. Paper clips are very light. They don't weigh a lot. I wonder if this egg full of paper clips is going to sink to the bottom or if it's going to float at the top. What do you think? Let's try it and find out. Ready? In we go. The egg is floating. The egg with the paper clips is floating on top of the water. Let's add another one to our graph. Float. We have 2 eggs that floated and 1 that sank to the bottom. This is so much fun. Let's try another egg. Ooh, what about this green egg? Let's see what's inside. That sounds like something heavy. What do you think it is? Maybe, let's see. On the count of 3, say open with me. 1, 2, 3, open! Hey, did you guess jelly beans? You're right. There are a bunch of jelly beans in here. I think I'm gonna eat just one. That was yummy. I wonder if these jelly beans are going to sink or float. What do you think? Let's find out. In we go. Look! Those jelly beans are floating at the top. Float. We better add another one to our graph for float. Let's count how many eggs are floating so far. 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs have floated and 1 egg sank to the bottom. Let's try another one. Out you go, green egg full of jelly beans. Dry off. We have 2 eggs left. What color is this egg? Purple, you say? That's right. This is a purple egg. I don't hear anything. Listen. Do you hear anything? It sounds really light and soft. I wonder what it could be. Let's open it and find out. On the count of 3, say open with me. 1, 2, 3, open! Oh, look! It's a bunch of soft, colored pom-poms. These are very light. They don't weigh a lot. I wonder if this egg full of pom-poms is going to sink to the bottom or float at the top. What do you think? Let's try it and find out. Ready? You were right. Wow. It's floating at the top. Let's add another one to our float column on the graph. Here we go. Float. Now how many of our eggs floated? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs floated at the top of the water, and 1 egg sank to the bottom. Let's try our last egg. Out you go, purple egg. Oh, look. What color is this egg? That's right, it's a red egg. Let's shake it and see if we can guess what's inside. Any guesses? Rocks? You think there's rocks in there? Let's open it and find out. On the count of 3, say open with me. 1, 2, 3, open! You're right. There are a bunch of little rocks inside of here. Rocks can be heavy sometimes. I wonder if this egg full of rocks will sink to the bottom, or will it float to the top? You think it's going to sink to the bottom? Let's see if you're right. Here we go. Let's add a sink to our graph. Here we go. Sink. How many of our eggs sank to the bottom and how many of our eggs floated to the top? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 eggs sank to the bottom, and let's count how many eggs floated to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs floated to the top. That was so much fun learning about things that sink and float. The heavier something is, the more it sinks to the bottom. And the lighter something is, like these pom-poms, it makes it stay afloat and float at the top. What a fun experiment. I bet you could try this experiment at home. If you have Easter eggs, try filling them up with different things like pom-poms and money and rocks and jelly beans, and put them in water to see if they sink or float. Make sure you ask a parent or an adult first. I'll see you guys next time.